Hi, welcome back to my English channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 reasons why you need an English speaking club. Right, let's get started. So, why an English speaking club? First, you can practice your spoken English. Second, you get support from friends. And third, you can also make international friends there. First and foremost, an English-speaking club can be a perfect place for you to practice all that you have learned in real-life situations. There, you'll come across people who want to practice their spoken English and exchange their views on various topics in English. I suggest you make friends with people whose native languages are not the same as yours. That way, you will always use English as a means of communication. You will certainly not switch to your native language, otherwise the conversation will get stuck because nobody speaks the same language as yours. Second, it can help support you in your English learning journey. When learning English, you might feel demotivated or maybe you don't feel like learning English at all because your motivation and your love of learning English start to dwindle away. This could be dangerous if it is not taken seriously. If you are a member of any English-speaking club, at least you have some people out there that can have your back and encourage you as well in times of need. Getting support from your club friends definitely means a lot to you. You'll get back your lost motivation and eventually you'll get the confidence you need to speak English more often. Last but not least, you can take advantage of making new friends all around the world by joining an English-speaking club. If you consider yourself as being a sociable person, then you'll enjoy making friends with other people. You can learn all about each other's country as well as each other's culture. With that all being said, an English-speaking club is part and parcel of learning English. It's up to you. You may join either online or offline English-speaking club. It's a fun and great way of improving your spoken English, and at the same time, you can make friends with people from different parts of the world. You get the best of 2 worlds for sure. Just a little piece of advice, I recommend joining a premium English-speaking club where you must hold yourself accountable for every meeting. That way, you have no excuse for not attending a single meeting since you have paid in full. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.